Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. Samsung is all charged up to launch the new Galaxy flagship smartphones. The South Korean technology giant has scheduled the Galaxy Unpacked event for August 11, 2021. This will be a virtual event in which the company will launch a bunch of new Samsung devices including the all-new Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Now, ahead of its official launch, here are the full specs of the Galaxy Z Fold3. The upcoming new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 will feature a massive 6.28-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen display panel, but since it will be a foldable smartphone, it will be easy to use. The Galaxy Z Fold3 will be powered by the latest flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. This new foldable smartphone will be available in 3 stunning colors. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. They are Phantom Black, Phantom Green, and Phantom Silver. What's further interesting is that for the first time ever, a Galaxy Fold device will get Samsung's S Pen support. The upcoming new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 will feature a triple camera setup at the rear. This foldable smartphone will sport a 12MP wide-angle camera along with a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 12MP telephoto sensor. At the front, it will get a dual camera setup. There will be a 10MP cover camera and a 4MP under-display camera. This upcoming smartphone is also expected to pack a bigger battery than its predecessor. Also, it will be the world's first water-resistant foldable smartphone with an IPX8 rating. Samsung will launch the new Galaxy Z Fold3, however, its prices have already leaked. Its base variant with 128GB of internal storage is said to be priced at €1899, while the top-spec trim with 256GB internal storage will be priced at €1999. The Fold 3 also features Samsung's strongest aluminum yet. Samsung says it's a lightweight armor aluminum frame that's at the backbone of the foldable handset. It's 10% more durable to protect interior parts of the hinge, like armor. Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus protects the exterior display and the rear panel. The glass can survive drops of up to 2 meters 6 feet and has 4x better scratch resistance than competitive aluminosilicate. The Fold 3's second-gen ultra-thin glass panel protects the foldable display. If this leak is correct, the new ultra-thin glass features an extra panel layer and protective film. This makes the new ultra-thin glass panel 80% more durable than before. We've been talking about Samsung's under-panel camera tech for a while now. Many reports said the Fold 3 would feature a camera under the display, and the brochure confirms it all. We always expected the main foldable screen to support a 120Hz refresh rate. But it looks like the exterior cover display is also a 120Hz panel. The brochure further cements the idea that the Fold 3, expensive as it might be, will offer a complete flagship experience. That is all the key features of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Without being said, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.